Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Dr. Muhammad Saklan Zahir, and today our topic is major problems of agriculture sector of, of the Pakistan. The major problem of agriculture sectors like limited cultivated area. In Pakistan, the total area of Pakistan is 79.6 million hectare, and from this 79.6 million hectare, only 23.7 million hectare is used for crop production. Fragmentation, small and land holdings of the lands, difficulty to utilize modern technologies. So this area is very limited. This is also a problem that less irrigated area means less cultivation of the crop. And in Pakistan, we also use the old methods of production, still using the old implements rather than new and improved technology. So these old methods of crop production is a major problem of agriculture sector of Pakistan. And next is inadequate supply of agriculture inputs in our area. And there are very less inputs availability. Farmers also apply the short inputs due to the low availability of finance. So shortage of high yielding seeds, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, mechanized machinery, because it is very costly, and supply it too much irregularly. So this is also a major problem for the agriculture sector. And next is the lack of irrigation of the facilities. In we also use the old and mud water courses. There is the loss of water during the water flow or irrigation the field. Water loss is very high. So in some area there is no availability of irrigation water. Mostly we irrigate the field by the canal irrigation system. There is no alternate thing for the application of the irrigation. So there, so old and mud water courses also cause the so much water losses. And next is the water lodging and salinity. Water lodging and salinity in is a main problem in our agriculture sector. About 10 million hectare land is affected with these two. And the next is improper cropping rotation. Our farmer have no idea about the crop rotation. They just use the wheat cotton rotation. They not use any crop that can improve the soil fertility. Consistent cultivation of one or two crops is the in our area. The farmer who have the expertise in sugarcane, they are growing sugarcane continuously. So there is very less rotation in the field. And next is the pest problems in our area. Insects, weeds, disease impact on our all the crop production. There are so much weeds and diseases and insects in our area, so it is also a problem in the agriculture sector. And next is the natural climate. Labor is in mankind hand, but result in the hand of Almighty Allah. Everything like rain, air conditions, humidity, these are all the natural conditions or natural climate. These climate are also effect on the crop production. Sometimes we not require the so much irrigation water, but when it rain, it crop get more water and it adversely affect on the growth. And sometimes there is no irrigation water and we require the rainfall, but there is no rainfall. And next is the financial position of the farmers. Most of the farming community is poor, and farmers born in debt grown in debit and dies in debit. So this is a very bad condition in our area. And next is the inability of market. Market price are not suitable in Pakistan, fluctuate according to the will of the elite of the country. So it is also a big problem. And next is the inadequate agriculture research. In Pakistan, funding of the research is too low in our country. And these are the measures to remove these problems. We can supply the agriculture credit, drainage of the waterlogging soil, and we can construct the dams and provide of high yielding varieties and new technological mechanized system and farmers training. We can also arrange the farmer trainings to tell them that how they can improve their production. And price of agriculture products, for government should also maintain the price in the agriculture sector. And next is the agriculture research. We can remove these problems by the research, like if there is no irrigation water, we can get the crop production system by the research with the limited use of the water. And we can produce the drought tolerant varieties. So this is for today.